I'm right now doing a state secret service involved with murdering a Secret Service agent at an enterprise vehicle, including funding terrorism. I do want to state the gray Tesla vehicle that drove last down this way with 8D as in dog, WK, and I can't remember the last three numbers, went behind the very Vernon truck that went down that way that's involved with Bitcoin fraud, but connected to my body, committing a crime of terrorism and murdering 4 million Americans. Both suspects, including the Tesla vehicle with two passengers, both involved with the death penalty crime of murder of a Secret Service agent and 4 million murders in American. They could be ex-cops or cops or FBI agents that have been poisoned or manipulated by the army base and their machinery, the vast machines, because they are being poisoned. I'm not gonna lie about it. And the vast machine of the military is using it against innocent people, and they're trillions of dollars in machines. If you're not a universal soldier like me or a Green Beret, you basically are screwed, and you will be manipulated by the machinery. They're that much. Yeah, they're only trillions of dollars and work perfectly, and actually put sounds in people's ears, telling them to do things too to certain people. Yes, it does do that, and it's not all their fault, but it's some of their fault. All right, bye.